Hey guys, welcome back, and I've got to tell you something. So many people ask me about homemade whipped cream. When we start talking about it, they want to know how to make it, and I tell them all the time, it is so easy, you wouldn't hardly believe it. So we're going to start with a whole pint of heavy whipping cream. Okay? All right. Into the mixer that goes. You can do this in your big mixer. You can do this by hand, which I have done a few times. It will give you a workout, but it can be done. Waste not, want not, right? Okay, so you can sweeten this. From this place, you can build this any way you want. You can make it an adult version by adding a little bit of some kind of liqueur or something special. You can sweeten it with straight up granulated sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar, agave, maple syrup, which is what we're going to do today. Oh my word, it's so fun. To me, whipped cream is like a blank canvas. Now we have 2 cups in there. In is going to go about 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. And yes, I am eyeballing it. Now on this, you're going to do to taste. So if you want it a little bit sweeter, do that. Less sweet, do that. All right, we're just going to incorporate that a little bit. The reason today that I'm using the maple syrup is because this is going to give me that flavor that I'm looking for, because I am serving this, because it's been breakfast week, I'm serving this with our pannekuchen. And I know you just said panna what? You got to check out that video because it is easier than it sounds. I'm going to take the intimidation factor out of that for you, okay? Super, super easy, super fun. Okay, now, depending on what you're wanting to do with this, guys, you can take it from right here, or you can let it go for just a few more seconds. I'm going to hit it for about 5 more seconds. Okay, and that's where I want it. Beautiful, beautiful soft peaks. See that? Look how gorgeous that is. We need to test our sweetening level. So just, all right. Oh yeah, beautiful, satiny, smooth. That maple flavor is very, very delicate, but it's right there where we need it to be as far as sweetness goes. You saw how easy that was, right? So throw me up a comment on that, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do that for us, okay? And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.